At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, a 42-year-old man has been charged by the Mandeville police on Monday after an argument that happened on February 13, ended with him allegedly using a machete to slap a woman several times. My people, wanna hear them something here? Man, I use machete and a slap. No, sir. And this man, is 42-year-old. A 42-year-old man, I take machete and a slap up woman like a him and them Pupa. Mighty God of Daniel. Can you imagine? Then they must sit there and right. How big man like that know if you slap up big woman with machete? No, sir, this not sound good at all. And my people, I don't know, 1 and 2 slap, a several slap, several slap. The man slap up the woman with the machete. Boy, me I tell you, them are something on the right at all. An Australian couple says they suffered trauma after being forced to sit beside a dead body during a Qatar Airways flight despite other seats being available. Me people, when I hear them something here, couple was forced to sit beside dead body on a flight. And the people, they don't want to sit down beside the dead person. Them, there's other seats there. There's other seats there. Seats was available. But then tell them, say, brother, you can't go over this, you have to stay right here. So you can imagine? Something can't really go so. Me say when me see this in the paper, me say I have to come and tell the people them business. Can you imagine? I wonder how that would have work out if it was Jamaican. Like seriously. Me not think that would have work out good, If the couples was Jamaican now have it, They not have it at all. Me I tell you that. Them something on the right though. Them something on the right. Then if you sue them. The country's senior doctors are back at work following a meeting with the Finance, Health and Labour Ministries. Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr. made the revelation in a statement issued Tuesday evening. The senior doctors in a move that was endorsed by the Jamaica Medical Doctors Association, calling sick on Monday and Tuesday of this week. Listen to me, doctors. I hope you don't make Pernell Charles Jr. come out, and trick you, promise you again, and then after you come back out to do no foolishness about you go back on strike. Because me don't know how one set of people can fool so. Look from when the government fear pay from before Nigel Clark half ready for left Jamaica. Every time them a promise, make sure, make sure say them a pay or them start pay already. Nobody wait till 2-3 months and come back again, but go up on strike. Else me not go have it. And me not go come out and defend that the time there. Me I tell straight. Me not go come out and defend Look at this now. Look at this. I better say I promise them promise I better any money say I promise 3 months time to pay Hey, mighty God of Daniel, me really have to laugh. Seriously. Doctors, is something else. The only thing we are here is that the doctors them agree to return to work. Did they get paid? How we not hear nothing about the payment part? How we not hearing anything about the payment part? And that the part that we want to hear. That is the most important part, because we don't want next 2 weeks or a month later or 6 months later we come back again with no foolishness. So we want to know, we have all right to know if we sort out the payment part. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, you know, so we have to go run up and down in a Portmore right now, because Boretongue him decides if he come out and come chat one piece of shit We just don't make no sense. Member of Parliament, MP for East Central St. Catherine, the Jamaica Labour Party, board tongue. People, we can't stop laugh. Seriously, board tongue Terrelang is questioning whether the mayor's role should be prioritized over the needs of the residents in Portmore. Wanna hear this about tongue boy, yeah? Wanna hear Renta Dread? My wisdom warriors. Wanna listen to Renta Dread? Wait there. The last time me check, it was the residents, it was the citizen that voted for the mayor. The last time I checked. So how now you want to remove the mayor? I don't understand that the part there. How comes you board tongue come out and a chat nonsense? You come like you don't have nothing to do. You don't have nothing to do. Eh? Because the sister you're going to lose over there, so you don't want to control Portmore, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. What you say right now, it doesn't make no sense to me. Because of the people them vote for the mayor, you know. Remember good enough Jamaica. Are the people them vote for the mayor last year. And them this year all cruff board tongue. The whole of them want to come take set and take over Portmore. No Sankey can go so. We can't allow that. Jamaica, we cannot allow that. We cannot allow that. Portmore not have no courthouse. Portmore not have no hospital. What Portmore have? Portmore don't have anything. And me hear them read out the budget and me not hear them mention nothing about Portmore. Me no hear them mention nothing how them a go build up over Portmore. Hello? We know exactly what we are doing, you know. You see you board tongue? We know exactly what you do. You know, say you know no shame? You is a disgrace to the society. You don't have no shame. All when the people them a say shame on you from over there, you still come back and a chat nonsense. Box cover. Hey, uno is something else. All uno think about is uno self and uno party. Uno don't think about the Jamaican people. So when you come out and come talk about how if they prioritize the mayor over residents, hello, it was the residents that voted for the mayor. So I don't know where you depend.
Because sometimes the leaders tend to believe that it is about them. And they are hurt, and they're this, and they're that, and they run off and do their thing. No more of that! No more of that! No more of that! This is one party, and I have taken a year, and I have been very accommodating. I have tried to build consensus. I have worked with everyone. I have embraced everyone. But now is work time, and those who have an issue, leave!
My wisdom warriors, wanna listen to Snoopy? Everything what Snoopy just say, and self him attack. Him attacking whole administration. Every single word when just utter out his mouth, he is talking about himself and his administration. I tell you about this brother, yeah, man. This brother is something else. Jamaica, we have to stand up. We have to stand up against this man. This man is not a normal man, you know. This man is a corrupted man. This a man that sleep corruption, eat corruption, drink corruption, talk corruption. Man like him need to lift up from outer house of parliament. And Johannes is a bully. He is a bully. And he's a dictator. And Johannes need to lift up from outer house of parliament. Me can't even say step down. Me can't even say resign. Because he not going to resign. He not going to step down. So we, the Jamaican people, we have to do something about this. We can't allow this. A bully, you know? When you hear him attack, he's talking all about himself. He going on feelings. And when he ready, he takes it pan way. That is a good one. That is a good one, my people. He going on feelings and he trace off the whole of the black of them when he ready. This is a man that need to go, man. He lost all credibility. He doesn't care about the Jamaican people. I kept saying it for times. Seriously, something need to be done. Something totally needs to be done.
Christopher McCurdy, that's my name. Bring the lawsuit. Your behavior is not fitting for a principal. Carry on. That's quite fitting for a principal. Carry on.
It's illegal for you to
Sue me.
video me.
Christopher McCurdy. Sue me. Go to court. Sue me. Christopher McCurdy. That's my name. Bring the lawsuit. Your behavior is not fitting for a principal. Carry on.
My wisdom warriors. A chopper John that from the chopping block. You hear him? But the man not fit to be a principal. And if the man not fit to be a principal, then him fit to be a chairman. And that more than like for know. He more promise to do all type of things to the black of them. Remember me play the video yesterday, you know. This man was sending out heavy threat, you know. Say him know where where we there, he know where we live, him know which part we always hitch up and all these things. Then this a man here, when him Christopher McCurdy, yeah? Otherwise call Chopper John from the chopping block. Then he tell me say him fit to be a chairman. This man never teach in his life. This man did go teachers college. This man did go university for the teaching. So how comes him a chairman at St. James High School? It just don't make no sense to me. That's why the pitney they not learn. That's why the pitney them get done. You know see what go on? All this money come at the school for do is for control the finance. That's all he come for do. That's all he come for do, for control the finance. And the man is not having it. The man not have it. You're a chairman. Where you come control finance board? Me I tell you no man. Uno labor right. Anywhere uno go. Uno is a problem. Uno a problem child. Anywhere uno go. Mighty God of Daniel. All uno think about is money. All uno think about is money. But if the man is fit. You fit? Eh? You fit was send threat left, right and center. You fit? You need to resign. Christopher McCurdy, a.k.a. Chopper John, you need to lift up from over there so, and leave the people them alone. The teacher, they not like you. None of the teacher them not like you over there. The principal not like you, teacher them not like you. Because your behavior is disgusting. It pitney them worse than not like you. Pitney they not like you. My wisdom warriors, hear this.
People's National Party is calling on the Ministry of Education, Skills, Youth and Information to take immediate action to reopen St. James High School and prevent further disruption to students' education due to the ongoing conflict between the board chairman and the principal. For a second consecutive day, the education of over 1,700 students has been derailed by a leadership breakdown. This is unacceptable. Disagreements among school leaders should never come at the expense of our children's education. All parties must put the children's education first. The school must be reopened immediately while the ministry works on a lasting solution. This is more than an education issue. It's a social and economic concern. School closures should never be taken lightly. The ministry must intervene now to ensure students do not continue to suffer due to the unresolved disputes among adults. The PNP urges all stakeholders to act swiftly and ensure no further loss of learning time for St. James High School students. This situation also underscores the urgent need for school governance reform in Jamaica.
So my wisdom warriors, may I go show you another clip. This one is Chopper John, which is Christopher McCurdy, aka Chopper John. Mark Golden went to the Cornwall Regional Hospital to have a tour just to look around and see what they have been doing. Cause remember, you know, them are going like say, 21 billion them spent on that the building there. How much years since them a build up Cornwall Regional Hospital? How much years? More than 5 years. Look how long them a build up Cornwall Regional Hospital and all know them can done. But the real reason I want to know to look at Chopper John. Because I want to know how Chopper John a project manager over Cornwall Regional Hospital and then him a chairman down at St. James High School. This man, you know, him did a chef and he's the one that blog for the Jamaica Labour Party. So I don't really know what is going on, my people. But I want to take a look at this.
Touring
What's the
Cornwall
capacity?
Regional
It's
Hospital.
gonna be 80. Okay.
And the housing includes everything in terms
Yeah, man,
of
I'm gonna
housing.
show you one of the units.
Okay,
You have a good idea.
What, do you know the ratio of the Jamaican to Chinese workforce on the project?
Well, the contractual arrangement is supposed to be a 50-50 ratio. However, you and I know the number will remain a more consistent number,
Yeah.
but the local number fluctuates. Right now, I think we're at about 60, 70-30.
Sounds good.
All these are, that's what every unit is like.
Okay.
It's a common area, like a living space.
Right.
And there's a shared space. So this is from a bedroom here, bathroom, and another bedroom.
So my wisdom warriors, that is Chopper John from the chopping block. I him that I talk to Mark Golding and to the lady. I him having the mask over him face. Wanna hear me? Remember, you know, when we find out say him over there, you know, remember say the bloggers them did dip on the case, you know. For days, you know. Remember good in Jamaica. Remember good. You understand? Because we couldn't understand your bloggers. So how you reach there so? How you reach and a tour place and I explain that means say I must you are the project manager. If you are go round and I show Mark Golding and I answer question, you have to be the project manager. But my wisdom warriors, I just show how the government is really corrupt, a friend thing and journalists depend. You understand me? Jamaica just running like a party shop. You not have no qualification. You not have no experience. From them rate you, them are going to put you in any position. What can go like that? What can go so? My wisdom warriors, last but not least, take a look at this. Hiding in plain sight. What are they hiding? On the need for release the Kroll report. On the need to release the Kroll report. What is Paula Llewellyn hiding? Because Nigel Clark give you some information, some documents from 2023. And all know we don't know what is going on. We don't know what is going on. We only hear you talk about Jean Pantan. Jean Pantan wasn't Usain Bolt advisor. Jean Pantan wasn't the 78-year-old lady advisor. So what is going on, DPP? So at this, then bring you back for. So then bring you back. We go all the way to England and disgrace Jamaica. You come back and you still hide the report and you hide documents. You want Andrew Wellness? Do the right thing for once. DPP Paula Llewellyn, do the right thing for once. And the other lady, what's your name? Keisha, DCP Keisha, you are next one. You are one next one. You shouldn't charge Andrew Honest, but you choose not to charge Andrew Honest because you are labor right. Uno fi stop it. Uno too wicked and stay bad. Uno fi stop it. You and Paula Llewellyn. Uno fi stop it now. And we are waiting for the report to be released. We are waiting on the Kroll report. Make sure say uno no tamper with nothing. Make sure say uno no cover no name. Make sure say uno no move nothing. Make sure. You understand? Because we're not idiot boy here. We are not idiot, both here. Then my wisdom warriors. Uno no know so the DPP she run out and is warning the public against possibility of prejudicing Jean and Pantan's SSL case. Every damn day these people get up and talk about Jean Pantan. Jean Pantan was a normal advisor. You hear? She was a normal advisor. When me can't understand my people, why them only pointing the fingers at Jean Pantan? Jean Pantan write a letter, you know? Yeah, she write a letter. You understand how me not hear them talk about it or investigate that? How we not hear nothing? Anyway, let's continue. Director of Public Prosecution, DPP, Paula Llewellyn, is expressing concern over the impact the public discourse surrounding the matter involving Stock and Securities Limited, SSL, may have on the court matter involving Jean Pantan. This comes as the Jamaica Labour Party and People's National Party have engaged in a public spat over the government's handling of the multi-million-dollar fraud at the firm. The DPP says she's discussed with members of her team concerns about the possible deleterious impact on the fairness of the impending trial proceedings. You know what, Paula, we don't want to hear nothing from you. We don't even care. At this point, we don't care because, seriously, we don't even think Jean Pantan do anything. May I tell you the God Almighty truth? May I tell you the truth with God love? 90% of Jamaican people don't think Jean Pantan do anything. You understand? We know so she not do nothing. And then frame her. Frame her. Remember so she write letter, you know, and I talk up things them, you know. And you see him one shut her down. Come in and say, una investigate nothing. What happened to the man when he huge crookery or whatever? What happened to those people? And then people never got prison, you know. So me don't know how you just have this woman alone. She's just an advisor. How she end up and take so much money and the big fish them don't know that. You think so we are idiot, boy, yeah? Paula Llewellyn, you better you pack your bag and you resign. Me not even know where you come back for. After you pick up yourself, go to England and come disgrace the whole of Jamaica, make everybody a walk and a chat and a look down par way. Hey, oh man, me can't believe say this, the Labour Party, they don't really fight for you, for bring you back. This is ridiculous, seriously. The only reason why they bring you back, you know, are just to protect them own self. That's the only reason. Boy, this not right. Me no know in Jamaica, but we have a fit do to blouse and skirt. We have a fit do. Anyway, my people, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about this. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.